I think they want to change. That's a theme that we see not only in Great Britain, but we also saw it in the United States. People just are dissatisfied with the status quo, so they vote for change. That is something to be seen. For one thing, there could be, in the medium term, negative economic effects for the UK. For the euro area, I don't see much economic effects. But the political questions, I think, are perhaps more important. Should Brexit not lead to a significant downturn in Great Britain, other countries who have problems with the European Union may actually be inclined to follow.